Welcome back. Ritviz Parab and Aishwarya Thorat won the boys and girls under-15 state chess titles at a tournament organized by the Kepen Taluka Chess Association. Ritviz and Aishwarya will now lead Goa's challenge at the Nationals to be held in West Bengal in August.
Kepen Taluka Chess Association had organized the Under-15 Open and Girls State Chess Championship from 14 to 16 June at Kurchore Sports Complex. Top seed Ritviz Parab clinched the title in the Open category. He remained undefeated till the end, scoring 6 points from 7 rounds. Anirudh Bhatt finished runner-up, while Diptesh Karmalkar was third. Amay Audi was placed fourth. In the girls category, Aishwarya Thorat stunned Urvi Bandekar in the final round to win the championship. Urvi finished runner-up while Aditi Prabhugaonkar was placed third. Gauri Hadkonkar finished fourth. Top 4 players in both the categories will represent Goa at the National Championship to be held in West Bengal from 5th of August. A reporter from Kurchore Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Several died and many were stranded as the rains triggered flash floods in Ganga, Yamuna and the tributaries in northeast India. The Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath motorway and pedestrian roads were blocked due to the debris from collapsed houses and landslides. A tributary of the Ganga has swept away several buildings and temples along the banks. If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.